The opinions and comments of Pakistani intellectuals are very informative, patriotic and full of human feelings and are admirable. It feels like all these comments will live in place. Because the laws of nature are not subordinated to Pakistani courts, politicians, bureaucracy, ground army, multimedia, journalistic institutions. Nor are the laws of nature afraid of, opinionated, or controlled by these institutions. The laws of nature are more advanced and merciless than the collective thinking of human beings in terms of their decisions and their implementation. Nor is there any beloved of this law of nature. Nor is he indebted to, afraid of, or in need of these institutions or classes for the enforcement of his laws. There is a tradition that the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, advised, which means, fear poverty, and seek shelter. It induces or pushes a person into disbelief, in which the majority of the Pakistani people have sunk and stuck up to their necks in the mire of poverty, consciously, socially and economically. How history produces results. Interesting historical information. In some short documentary videos, they are based on bitter historical facts and results, the laws of nature and their implementation. In Afghanistan, Zahir Shah, Sardar Dawood, Tara K., Hafizullah Amin, Babrak Karmal, Najibullah, Rabbani, Mujadadi, Ahmad Shah Massoud, Dostum, Hekmatyar, Karzai, Ashraf Ghani, and the fellows of all of them were busy in their praise and success of the earth and the sky for them. Hinged classes, their helper foreign and domestic revolutionary forces, secret agency CAD. The same emperor of Iran, his great 2,500-year-old monarchy. In Turkey, Pakistan, and Iran, RCD, relatively the Iranian army was the most ethnic and nationalistic. Armed with the most advanced Western weapons of the time, brave and loyal to the Emperor of Iran, the RA, KGB, CIA and Mossad. Far more ruthless, oppressive and dangerous than the ISI. The Nazi Gestapo-style intelligence agency SAVAK, which seems invincible and invincible to the Iranians, is very deep and strong. All these historical events have happened within 70 years in the nearest neighboring countries of Pakistan. These powers that became a story of the past, their admirers. Their arms invincible and conquerable forces are seen somewhere on earth, at this time. Didn't nature grind these powers like garbage and throw them into the dustbin of history like impurity and filth? As if these people never existed in the era. Nature stamped its absolute power and balance of justice on the foreheads of those peoples forever. Those arrogant and cruel people had only one crime. That they used to attack the servants of Allah Ta'ala like hungry wolves, and in the power of their evil and corruption, deceit and oppression, they bound and squeezed humanity. People's lives and property were destroyed. Rather, these tyrants made this attribute a symbol of their identity, pride, and fear. In what state of consciousness are we and at what crossroads of history are we standing? And now what is our destination or what will be the end? Nature has thrown the ball in our court. Glory be to Allah and praise be to Allah. Al-Hukmu Ilallah.